Good morning, my friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So there is finally some good news from Congress. There is now extra stimulus money available right now for Americans to claim. Checks worth up to $750 will begin being sent out to eligible recipients. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for the latest Ford stimulus check news. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
Healthcare affects all of us. Healthcare affects the budget and the deficit that this country is running. It's great to have my former colleague Eric Paulson here, and Sue, welcome, and to everyone else. John was talking about his patient, and I think back to my oldest son, who's now 26. When he was 1 month old, he had a respiratory disease. I'm an engineer, I'm a forester, hadn't paid a whole lot of attention to health care. I find myself in the pediatric ward, and my son is not getting better, and the doctor says, well, we have this experimental drug. I think that's how she described it. And she said, your insurance doesn't cover it. It's $5,000 a dose, and he needs 5 doses of it. Do you want to give it to him? Well, what's any parent? She could have said it's $500,000 a dose. Do you want to give it to him? And the answer would have been yes. I'll figure out how to pay for it down the road. I'm grateful that there were people that were inventing drugs like this that I'm sure is probably readily available now. That just a short time before my son went into the hospital, it wasn't available. And I'm thankful that there were innovators out there looking for cures that made a difference in my family's life, and there's a lot of families like that, a lot of people that have been affected.
Friends, here is some good news. Workers in another state will receive a $750 stimulus check. Just a few days ago, the office of Minnesota Governor Tim Walz confirmed that a bipartisan agreement had been made to provide frontline workers and small business owners with an additional stimulus check. In a statement, Governor Walz said, the state of Minnesota continues to show the country that a divided legislature can still come together to get things done. This bill will provide hazard pay to frontline workers and relief for small business owners. Speaker Melissa Hortman also stated that the priority of the new package is to ensure that frontline workers who went to work every day, even during the worst days of the crisis, receive the bonuses that they were promised last year. The plan was formally approved by the Minnesota House of Representatives in February. The legislation quadrupled the original Hero Pay frontline worker stimulus checks budget of $250 million that was passed this year. Republicans and Democrats originally could not agree on who would be eligible for the checks, with Democrats working to make them available to a broader range of workers, while Republicans wanted the money to be directed primarily to first responders, nurses, and doctors. So now an estimated 667,000 workers from Minnesota will be able to claim the check. So friends, this is really amazing news, because now an estimated 667,000 workers from Minnesota will be able to claim this check. If you've got your tax return filed, whether it was before or after the April 18th deadline, a tax refund should be headed your way if you're expecting one. If you filed on time, your refund money should arrive within 21 days of filing, as long as there are no errors and you filed electronically and also set up direct deposit. Late filers can expect a delayed refund. To keep tabs on your refund, you can start tracking it to your bank account after the IRS begins processing your tax return. Tracking your refund will also assure you that your tax return has been accepted by the IRS and has not been rejected because of any errors. If you have requested a paper check for your tax refund, it will take longer, about 6 to 8 weeks. But you can also track that check to mailbox using a free postal service tool. If there are any errors in your tax return, the wait could be lengthy. According to the Internal Revenue Service, when an issue delays your return, it's a resolution, and it depends on how quickly and accurately you respond, and the ability of the IRS staff to complete the processing of your return. Friends, the keyword for this video is lighthouse. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is lighthouse, and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Also, friends, at the end of this video, I will be announcing the 3 winners of yesterday's giveaway. The Internal Revenue Service may have the ability to automate nearly half of tax returns. According to the National Bureau of Economic Research, the IRS could correctly autofill an estimated 62 million to 73 million returns with information it already has. This would be covering 41 to 48% of taxpayers, based on a sample of 344,000 individual returns from 2019. The paper says accuracy is much higher for low and moderate income taxpayers, with errors more likely to occur as itemized deductions increase. Economists have said that this automatic filing system would save so many people the stress and headache of figuring out what documents they need, or how they are going to pay for the return to be done. According to the Tax Foundation, countries with return-free filing may use either exact withholding, where employers try to set aside precisely what employees owe. This would involve a pre-filled return for the taxpayer to approve. What's more, auto-filled returns may be helpful for non-filers, including those due to receive the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. It could make it easier for non-filers to claim refunds or pay taxes that are due. So my friends, what are your thoughts on the Internal Revenue Service's automated tax returns? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. The 3 winners of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway are Dana Gant, Susie Pena, and Wanda McClooney. Congratulations, my friends! Please note that if I have announced you as one of the winners, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim the gift card. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.